Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I'm going to cook a quick breakfast. Okay, I have with me a roast breadfruit, some saltfish, and some ackee. I'm going to pick up. My water is on the fire waiting for me. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my ackee ready, my season over here, and also my dry season there. And I will be right back. I told you, a quick breakfast. Okay, my ackee softened. I think my ackee is done. So I'm going to strain the water off. And I will be right back. Okay, I just strained my ackee off. I'm going to put some oil in the pot. This is some vegetable oil. Okay, I'm already cut up my season. Garlic, scallion, and onion. Hot pepper and sweet pepper. And tomato. Okay. Saltfish. My ackee. Okay, my season. Combine black pepper, dash, garlic powder, and a complete season. I like to see the peg of the ackee. I don't want to stir till it mash out. Okay? Okay guys, this is my breakfast this morning, right? Before I take a seat with my breakfast, I'm just gonna taste it. All right. My ackee and my roast breadfruit. And my cup of tea. You don't want to miss this. And this pear, nice. Right? You can drink and eat, but I have to. Oh God, nice, very nice. Guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you all. Have a good time.